Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. So you got yourself a new toy, a massage gun. And the wise thing to do is to go on YouTube and ask Dr. Lin, what do I need to know before I go hurting myself? What's up with all these attachments? And where and how should I use them? But before we get to the chat, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and if you found this video a help in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Thank you for your support. So let's discuss these heads. But before we do, we kind of need to know the purpose of these heads. So I like to just kind of do a blanket thing about muscles. We have long belly muscles like the biceps and calves and quads, and we have these shorter ones that fan out like the glutes and pecs. So we're going to use the attachments from the Away gun, and something that we like using here at the clinic. So if you don't have one and you're curious about one, this is the best in my opinion. So check out the links below, and if you want to buy one, then you get a discounted price. So let's talk about these attachments. Most of your attachments should be pretty similar from massage gun to massage gun, so at least we can discuss that. I like to use these particular attachments in a particular order, in a progressive manner. So I like to start with the soft head, and it generally goes about 1 to 2 millimeters in depth, and it is great for the quads and the muscle bellies of the biceps. And when I talk about long muscle bellies, it's generally the center. You could get around the tendons and all that fun stuff, but this is where you're gonna get the most benefit. After you use the soft head, we wanna use the flat head. And I think that goes a little bit more, about 1 centimeter depth, and it's great for also those flatter muscles. So we could do it on those muscle bellies, but also the flatter muscles like the buttocks. Then we followed up with the bullet head, which goes about 1 inch. And I think it's great to kind of go dig between those muscle bellies, or to split the parts of the muscles that intersect, just like the buttocks and the hamstrings. So that's a great area to work on. And then you could use also, if not the bullet head, the prong head. And so those are made for long, thin strips of muscles and tissues like the IT band and the plantar fascia. Hopefully you have a basic gist of what to use and how this can help you out. We have other popular massage gun videos on our channel. Please search those, or we'll link those below. And knowing how, when, what to use these heads will ensure you for the best results and make your investment worth it. Let us know what you think. Please leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe to our channel. We could use your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.